That's right, a rough start to the morning, as expected by most. We're only 5 minutes into the trading session. Dubai's index down 5.9%. Abu Dhabi is down 7.1%. Now, many traders I've spoken to over the past few days were expecting limit down on most of the major stocks here in the country. That is 10% down, according to regulations here in the UAE. We've had about 4 days now to digest the news, and we have a very short trading week, only 2 days before we go into another 4-day weekend. So a lot of people expecting that today and tomorrow are really going to be a bit of a rough 2 days for the Emirates.
Vivian, what happens next? What comes next?
Well, at this point, a lot of people are really just waiting for more clarity. As you mentioned at the start of the show, Nakhil asking that they suspend trading on the Sukuk until more clarity, until the company actually figures out what it's going to do, whether or not it really will need to postpone its debt repayment. Of course, we saw that its debt repayment of December 14th, a few days ago, the company asked that they could reschedule till May of 2010. Certainly shook up the markets all over the world, and now Dubai is really wondering, will it need the postponement and why it needs it, if so. So a lot of questions being asked, and the government is assuring people that they'll get answers in the coming days.
On the positive side, we've got the central bank of the UAE easing credit, Vivian, and also standing behind the country's banks and foreign banks. So that's got to ease some of the tension, some of the nerves.
Yeah, of course. Everyone was really waiting for the past few days over the holidays to hear something from the central bank, some sort of consolation, comforting of some sort to say that they will back them up in some way. Of course, a lot of people holding their breath, a lot of speculation as to whether Abu Dhabi, the capital here in the richest emirate, will step in and sort of save the day, offer some sort of a bailout. At this point, it's all speculation, but the central bank's statement late last night was a little bit of an ease to concerns.
Vivian, thanks very much indeed. We'll speak to you later. Vivian Salama there, live from Dubai. Now, in other news, Iran risking a standoff with the international community after announcing a massive expansion to its nuclear program. Let's get over to the newsroom. Anastasia has the details. Morning, Anastasia.
Morning, Mark. Well,